Hey Monique, this is Viola Barnett. Thank you so much for responding to our thread the other day in the Facebook post in regards to different ways on how I can possibly assist you all with some advice or just guide you on some ways to get some more business using your online presence, right? So first off, I want to say great looking website. I love how bright it is. Love the photos, etc. I do want to mention though that Google's main concern, well, here's the thing. I'm going to talk to you about content, backlinks, and citations, right? The first thing is content. So content is basically everything on the page. And when somebody goes to, because I notice you guys are located in Birmingham and Newnan, Georgia. But since I saw Birmingham first, I chose that one. So when somebody goes to Google and they type in carpet cleaning Birmingham, Google's job is to put them in front of the article that has the most words on the home page, right? And that's what they consider the authoritative article. So there's three sections. Obviously, this first section is for paid advertising. Then you have this section here below the map, which is simply the map pack, has everything to do with citations. And then the last section, this is organic. The only way to rank here is organically, right? So 9 times out of 10, these pages here have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on it. So for example, this is your top competitor right here, birminghamcarpetcleaner.com. So I went ahead and pulled them up. And just to take a look at their homepage, as you can see, it doesn't look like they have 1,500 to 2,000, which just tells me that they're definitely beatable in this area. However, they are outranking you simply because they have the content, and a lot of the content is probably hidden behind a lot of photos. What do I mean by that? For example, if I try to save this photo, for example, you want to try to make sure that you're saving these photos as keywords that you're trying to be located for. What do I mean by that? So if somebody is looking for carpet cleaning Birmingham, save this photo as carpet cleaning Birmingham. So the way to know which keywords work and which ones don't, I use this tool called Ahrefs, and this tells me what's going on in the back end of a website. And right here, it tells me that you guys are currently using 14 keywords. The majority of the keywords have your name in it, which is fine. It has New Wave in it, and it has Newnan, Georgia, etc. Right? But you definitely, if I want to get my carpet clean and I'm new to Newnan or I'm new to Alabama, I don't know exactly the name New Wave. So you want to save it as these keywords here. So I pulled up the same company, Birmingham Carpet Cleaner, in this tool. And this is the way that you can outrank them because these are the keywords that they're utilizing. So for example, carpet cleaning Birmingham, Alabama. This tells me that 300 people search for this keyword every month, and they get 90 customers per month just from that one keyword, and they're in the #1 position on Google, right? You see how that goes? And if we keep going down, let's see, carpet cleaning service, Birmingham, Alabama, that's different. And that is 50 people search for that per month. They get 10 out of those 50 per month, and they're in the #1 position. So right there, that's 100 customers just from 2 keywords targeting the different, targeting Alabama. And you could save it as these photos here or just add it into the content on your home page, once you increase the content. Another thing I want to mention, you might want to consider adding a form right up front, because 9 times out of 10, if somebody clicks on your page, they've already kind of made a decision they want to get their carpet clean. They just want to figure out how, right? So it's good, especially for a lot of people. 90% of people are using their mobile phones. So having that form available as soon as they get on there is really going to increase the amount of clientele that's going to be transformed, being able to transform into a sale that lands on your page, right? And the last thing I wanted to go over are the backlinks. So again, when somebody goes on Google, what gets them here is really the backlinks. This is all about citations. And just so you know, a citation is basically your business name, address, and phone number listed throughout different directories across the World Wide Web. I notice you guys are having a win in this area in Newnan, Georgia. However, whatever they did for Newnan, they need to go ahead and do it for Birmingham so you guys can win over here too. But let's get back to the backlinks. In regards to the backlinks, let me explain. A backlink is simply a You have two sites, Site A and Site B. Site A simply has a link on it. When you click on that link, it takes you back to Site B, and it gives Site B power. So the strategy to win here is to find out exactly which sites are working or which backlinks are working for your top competitor, and go ahead and I would go ahead and utilize those same, I would get links on those same websites to link back to my page. And the way you know which ones are winning, just keep in mind that not all backlinks are created equal. What do I mean by that? So let's say if you guys did let's say you cleaned some upholstery at a pizza store, and the pizza store decided, hey, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a link on my page, so you could get some, to help you out. Well, Google knows that you guys don't sling pizza for a living, so that's obviously not going to be as powerful as a backlink that has something to do with carpet or upholstery. And that's what the DR is. So as you can see, this number changes, and this goes according to the intensity, the power that the site is giving you. So when I go to you guys' site and you take a look at the backlinks on your site, all of your backlinks live on your website. So you see everything is coming from your website. So the links that are on your page are linking you right back to your page, which is interlinking, very important. However, you definitely want to get backlinks because that's what gives you the power, and that's what's going to get you guys found on that first page of Google. Okay, I think I've talked enough. Monique, thank you so much for taking the time out to watch this video, and I hope this is helpful for you and you guys are able to pull in some more clients from it. If it is, go ahead and give me some feedback. Let me know if you're able to utilize this. And if you have any questions or you want to partner and you want to figure out how I can assist further, then go ahead and reach out to me and I'll let you know how to make that possible. Other than that, enjoy the rest of your day, and I look forward to talking to you soon.